Starting this month, I'll be investing $1,000 of my money into Dividend stocks. I moved $1,000 a couple of days ago and invested in 5 different Dividend stocks for March 2024. In this video, I'll share with you the companies that I invested in and why I decided to choose them specifically. If you're new to my channel, I work as a finance manager at one of the top tech companies with an MBA in finance and a CPA designation. I'm also investing $1,000 separately into undervalued stocks each month, so you can check out that video as well if you're interested. Without any further ado, let's go through my 5 dividend stock investments for March 2024. Stock number 1, Verizon. Verizon is a telecommunications conglomerate based in the US, offering a range of services including wireless communication, internet, and television. It's one of the largest telecommunications companies globally, providing connectivity solutions to both consumers and businesses. I bought 6 shares of the Verizon stock at $40.02 per share, with a total investment of $240.12. Verizon has a dividend yield of 6.6%, which means that they'll pay $6.60 for every $100 invested in their stock. I'm very bullish about Verizon due to their fiber optic network and their focus on having the best technology out of all their competitors. I personally use Verizon for my home Wi-Fi and could not be happier about my decision. It has the best internet strength and connection out of all the providers that I've tested in the past. If I'm a satisfied customer of a company, that makes me more willing to become an investor of it as well. Also, a huge dividend yield that Verizon offers doesn't hurt either. Stock number 2, Avalon Bay Communities. Avalon Bay Communities is a real estate company focused on developing, redeveloping, acquiring, and managing multifamily apartment communities in expensive markets in the US. I bought 1 share of the Avalon Bay stock for $175.73. Avalon Bay has a dividend yield of 3.8%, which means that they'll pay almost $4 for every $100 invested in their stock. The reason for investing in this company is a bit more personal. In my neighborhood, there's an Avalon apartment complex with hundreds of apartments available for rent. I've spoken to the renters in the complex and they mentioned that they're quite happy with their experiences and the building is almost fully occupied. Also, based on my research, the company continues to grow each year by either building or acquiring properties in upscale neighborhoods throughout the US. These reasons made me want to become an investor as well and own Avalon Bay in my dividend stock portfolio. Stock number 3, UPS. UPS, or United Parcel Service, is a global logistics and package delivery company headquartered in the US. UPS is best known for its brown delivery trucks and efficient shipping network. I bought 1 share of the UPS stock for $147.02. UPS has a dividend yield of 4.4%, which means that they'll pay $4.40 for every $100 invested in their stock. Despite some of the recent issues with the company's performance, I think there is some value in buying UPS at its current price. Based on my research, UPS is really trying to focus now on being able to cut costs, increase automation, and boost their margins. These activities will all be able to help UPS increase its stock price. UPS has also been talked about a lot last year, where the company promised that their delivery drivers could start earning up to $170,000 a year. I'm not sure how and when the company will be able to achieve all these goals, but the direction that the company is taking sounds very exciting. Stock number 4, PepsiCo. PepsiCo is a multinational food and beverage corporation headquartered in the US. It's best known for its iconic brands such as Pepsi, Lay's, Gatorade, Doritos, and Cheetos. I bought 1 share of the PepsiCo stock at $163.80. PepsiCo has a dividend yield of 3% a year, meaning that they'll pay $3 for every $100 invested in their stock. PepsiCo's recent continued revenue growth has been quite exciting. Also, PepsiCo owns some of my favorite products in their business portfolio, which hundreds of millions of other people also enjoy. In my opinion, it's a very safe stock that will continue to go up, and as they also pay 3% in dividends each year, it becomes a no-brainer for me to add PepsiCo in my dividend portfolio. Stock number 5, Pfizer. Pfizer is a global pharma company that is renowned for its research, development, manufacturing, and marketing of prescription medications and consumer healthcare products. I bought 10 shares of the Pfizer stock at $26.71, with a total investment of $267.10. Pfizer has a dividend yield of 6.3%, which means that they'll pay $6.30 for each $100 invested in their stock. I bought the stock at one of its lowest prices within the last 10 years. There will always be new illnesses and sicknesses in the future, so I think buying Pfizer at one of its lowest prices is a strong long-term play, especially since they also pay 6% dividends each year. If the stock continues to go down even more in the future, I'll probably keep buying it so that I own the company at a lower average price per share. So to conclude, in the month of March 2024, I invested a total of $993.77 into 5 different companies that pay dividends. If you're interested, I'm also investing $1,000 each month in my separate account to buy undervalued stocks. You can check out my 6 undervalued stock picks for March 2024 in this video on my channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.